In this video, what I'm gonna do for y'all today is I'm gonna go over with a small little compact camping table. Check this thing out. So this thing is about 22.5 inches this away, almost 23, and about 4 inches wide. And look at that, that is small and compact. So it comes in this nice little nylon package right there. I'll throw that aside. It's like an accordion top style. Look at how clean that opens up. And this surface here, this surface is a waterproof, dust-proof, anti-scratch, and it's, number one thing, it's heat resistant, so you can put a hot pan or pot down on it. But let's go ahead and let me show you how quickly you can set this thing up. You can see these little like legs right here, and I'll show you how that works. Open that up like that. That slides down, locks in right there. This one slides down, locks in right there. Mash down on it, push the legs open like that, just like that. Open it up, lock it down, make sure the legs are facing out. Look at that. Is that not awesome? And the overall length of this, 22 inches that way, so it's 16 by 22. It gives you a nice platform for setting pots down. And believe it or not, the max capacity on this is 66 pounds. So almost 70 pounds you can put on this little small table. Is that not crazy? And it's like so compact and easy to undo. You would put it down on the ground or on sand or something like that, and you have you a small cooking table for, you know, putting food on if you want to have a little picnic table or something like that. And then to break it down, super simple. Lay it down flat like that. Lay that one down like that. Put that under there, just like the accordion style of undoing it. Boom, there you go. Slide it back in the bag and we're all good to go. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got today on the small, compact camping table. Let's go camping. Let's get out of here. Woo!